Hi, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to get set up on your Echelon Row-7s. Before we begin, it is important to talk to a doctor before starting a new exercise routine. If you feel any pain or discomfort while rowing, make sure to stop and consult a doctor before proceeding. Before rowing, be sure to warm up and stretch to prevent any injuries. Let's get started. To set up your rower, press down on the lever to release the frame. Pull up on the bar to stabilize the rower. Now you're all set up. Next, let's get into position. You can adjust your foot plate by pressing down on the red bar and moving the plate to fit your foot. Make sure the Velcro strap is secured around the widest part of your foot. Next, grab your handlebar. You'll notice the two red buttons. This is where you can adjust the levels of resistance by pressing right button to increase, left button to decrease. Your Row-7s is equipped with 32 levels of resistance. Now let's talk about form. When rowing, the first thing you want to pay attention to is posture. Start by sitting at the front of your seat, grab the handlebar, and pull straight into the center of your chest, avoiding bending your wrists. Sitting up tall in your seat, making sure you're not hunched over, making sure the handle is not too close to your neck or too close to your stomach. Point your elbows out and away from your rib cage. Engage your core and hinge from the hips. Allow your arms to come forward first, and your torso should follow, your legs being the last to move to complete the row. Remember to keep your knees slightly bent, your chest is open, and shoulders are relaxed. Next, we'll go to full slide. Again, arms extend first, followed by your torso, then legs. Now drive from the balls of your feet, angle your body back, engaging your core, bring your arms forward, then body, then legs. Let's practice a few rows together to ensure we have proper form. Great job. Press the button on the side of your rower to flip your screen 180 degrees. You can also rotate your screen right or left to enjoy a Fit Pass class off the rower. To store your rower, press on the lever to release the frame. Pull the rails upright to lock into place. Grab the handle underneath the seat to wheel your rower to storage. Now that you know your proper form, you are ready to row. I'll see you on the leaderboard soon.